Hey everybody, I'm Nick Gunderson with Johnson RV, America's #1 premium pre-owned superstore located right here in Sandy, Oregon. Today I get to spend a few minutes with you talking about this beautiful 2015 Pleasure Way Plateau, and this actually is the FL model, which means front lounge. We don't get a chance to see them very often, brand new or pre-owned, so really excited to have this one here. Beautiful silver metallic paint job on the outside. A light cream ultra leather with memory foam seating on the inside. It has a great look, but big reason why people are going to go this route is for the Mercedes diesel engine. Sprinter chassis, it's 22 feet 9 inches long, rear dualies, and that Mercedes engine is a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. So you're going to see 20 to 22 miles to the gallon on this length of unit. Pretty common on that fuel mileage estimation. But as we walk around here, number one thing with Pleasure Way is their craftsmanship. They don't skimp on anything. They don't rush anything. They take a long time to build. They're single stall built, so they're not rushed down an assembly line. It's one carpenter working on it, then it's one electrician, it's one plumber. They do things right, and I don't think there's another van manufacturer out there that builds like they do. So you'll see higher end fit and finishes, high resale value, but you get a quieter ride, you get a long lasting unit, and it'll last you for as long as you take good care of it. What I love that they do is the painted moldings down below. It is integrated step, so you don't have a power step, you don't have to worry about that coming out. The Sprinter sliding door, that's what everybody loves. It allows for that big wide opening, so it's not claustrophobic, plenty of space to get in. Big windows all down this passenger side. A couple things that it does is let in a lot of natural light. Plus, as you're driving, you look over your shoulder to switch lanes or to check the traffic to your right. All you see is windows and not cabinetry, not wall, so a little bit safer as well. As I mentioned, rear dualies, it's going to improve that ride. 1-ton chassis, you'll always see that there. Big power awning up top, so this is the carefree awning. Legs come out. If you have a little bit of wind or some rain, you have your anchor points here on the wall, back one, and the front anchor point up there. 110 outlets, plug in a radio outside if you want to do that. So as we come around to the back, their big swinging doors open up. If you want to release it, just release this leg here. We have magnets on the side, so if you're backed up to a river, lake, beautiful scenery, you want to sleep with the doors open, put your bed down, you're backed up to a perfect view. 5,000 pound hitch is standard. You'll see the nice spare tire kit on this unit. Backup camera is integrated up top. Again, with this Mercedes chassis, you get a lot of nice safety and performance features such as the collision prevention assist, lane keep assist, just lots of really nice things that you would expect from Mercedes. Blind spot assist as well. As we come around here to the driver's side, you'll see more windows. These open up awning style, so from bottom out. Really nice here in the Northwest, so that if it is raining, you can still get that cross ventilation. It's a nice dark tint on all these windows, so it prevents a lot of the heat from coming in. You'll see panels here to your refrigerator, your exhaust here for your furnace, 6-gallon water heater. Down below is going to be your dump station, so gray tank, black tank release. Hidden under this molding is your sewer hose. Utility center here. Turn your propane on and off. City water, cable TV, and then your 30 amp shore power plugs in right here. So I love that it's all has its spot. It's all hidden behind this door, so you don't have a bunch of plug-ins and outlets visible here on the wall. They want to make it look clean and simple. I love what they've done on the outside of the Pleasure Way rigs. Follow me, we'll take a look at the inside. Hey everybody, Nick Gunderson again. Welcome back inside the 2015 Pleasure Way Plateau FL, meaning the front lounge. Starting here at the front, this is that front lounge area that I'm talking about. You can see with these front seats swiveled here, you have plenty of space from this workstation, TV on a swivel mount, plug-ins here, so it's perfect for that. If you're one of the you of your partner that gets up early, has coffee, reads a book, you have separation back from the bed. Here you don't have to wake the other person up. It's an amazing concept, and they're harder to come by, but when we do, They usually sell really quick, so we're extremely happy to have it. You can see here, sliding screen door, keeps all those bugs out. You can see all the really nice cherry finish cabinetry that they do inside. Pleasure Way is always known for putting their galley here on the passenger side instead of the wet bath, and what you get with that is you have more windows. So with that sliding door closed, windows here, windows all down the back. So as I mentioned, as you're driving, looking over your shoulder, you have less blind spot, just a little bit safer. Plus you go from kitchen to campsite here, under your awning to your campfire. Makes it a little quicker and easier. Nice double door to the wet bath. You have window there, light, towel rack in there, everything you need, plenty of space. It's a 3-way auto fridge, so propane battery, shore power, with the auto button. So hit auto, it's going to stay cold whenever you need it to. Microwave and convection combo, DVD player, Blu-ray. They do an amazing job. You know, it's one thing I haven't talked about yet is their cabinetry, and that is just what they're known for. All this storage, it's more than just utilizing the storage, it's the quality that they do. Their solid wood cabinetry, their Corian. The person that puts in this cabinetry has had to work for the company for a minimum of 20 years, and that's how they keep that quality control, warranty claims down. That's why brand new, you know, they are able to offer a 5-year warranty, is because they can afford to do it. It's the quality of having a single stall build, hand built unit. It's totally different from the competitors out there, and you see it in something like this that's 4 years old with this light a seating surface, this dark a cabinetry, and not see anything on it. It's a testament to what they do and how they build. This is a perfect example of what we do. We buy pre-owned inventory, we recondition it, we do our multi-point inspection and back it with the warranty. If you'd love to come see something like this, come ask for Nick. Thanks again for watching.